Hello, welcome to the second part of the video about the most common English verbs. I am Mujib, and in this video we are going to talk about some more English verbs that are very common. In previous video we talked about to be verbs, to do verbs, to have verbs, and make, and etc. And in this video we are going to talk about think, use, want, take, and so on. Just keep watching. Okay, let's start it. So the verb that I want to explain first is think. Think. When you think about something. The past form of think is thought. The present form is think and thinks. I'm sure you know think is used with plural subject in simple present tense, and thinks is used with the singular subject in simple present tense. And the past participle form is thought. So if you don't know the past, present, or past participle form, so go back and watch that video, the first video I mean, so you will understand these parts because I have explained them. Examples. I thought you are single, but you're not. You're married. What do you think about this lesson? Write in the comment section. He has thought a lot about this. Saw, see, sees, and seen. You know? See. Examples. Ali saw me at school yesterday. God sees you all the time. Oh, you cannot hide from the God. I have seen lots of horror movies. Take. To take something. Took, take, takes, taken. It took 1 hour to record this video. I would never take anything from him again. I went to the bakery to buy a cake, the bakery shop, yeah? But even the last cake was taken already. Come, came, come, comes, and come. To come. He came to class late this morning. Ahmed always comes on time. Ali had come here before me. Someone is calling me. I'm coming. Wanted, want, wants, and wanted. To want something. She wanted an extra large cake for her birthday. I want you to make examples for these verbs in the comment section. We have always wanted peace. Everybody wants peace, don't you? Okay, I want to go. Used, use, uses, and used. Okay? I used my black marker to draw these drawings. I used my black marker. She uses her English skills to interact with people. You should also use your English skills to interact with people. I have never used this before. I have never used this before. Found, find, finds, and found. You found something which is lost. For example, we found our lost keys last night. There are a lot. Do you find these lessons interesting? Write in the comment section. Have they found life on Mars yet? Have they found life on Mars yet? Have they? That's it for today. I will see you the next day with the new verbs. If you find these lessons, or if you found this lesson interesting and useful, then like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, take care.